Adunetemba and the Sasa. I am very, very, very happy. You people have made Anambra State.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
You people have made Anambra
Thank you, sir.
State.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Professor Soludo will not forget this day.
Yes, sir. Thank you,
Speaker of Anambra State, House of Assembly, 8th Assembly, will never forget this day.
Amen.
I'm telling you the gospel truth. You people have proved that you don't get in Anambra.
We
We don't know where you people are.
Yes.
We don't know. But I'm telling you, we will all know you people. We will all get all of you. You understand? When you were able to tell us everything that has to do with others, that's the only thing that will keep you. Okay? So we thank you. We need to move. And we will come back. We will still come back here with you.
Yes.
So that you will come and pack the person, the body remain. You will pack him. The way you people dropped him.
If you want my pack now,
Don't worry. There is time for packing. There is time for packing. This is where we have our Honorable Justice Azuka, member representing Onitsha North. My brother, it's so unfortunate, but you can see, Anambra State, government of Anambra State, House of Assembly, we have not been sleeping. The only thing is that we swore that whether you are dead or alive, we must get you. If your family don't meet you alive, they will meet your body remain. And today we have achieved a great success. We have nothing much to do. We will continue to hunt others. We must get all of you. Thank you.
Hello, my lovers. Welcome back to Christy TV. Wonder shall never cease to end. So the kidnappers waked by Honorable Justice Azuka for ransom after collecting 100 million naira as ransom. During November-December time in Anambra State, they have been apprehended. So now, the question is, why did these people buy the man after collecting a huge sum of money? We are talking about 100 million naira. We're not talking about 100,000 naira. 100 million. After collecting the money, you still buy the man. Honestly, it is the happen for this kind of country. Anyway, my correct people, them all. These kidnappers that killed his honorable justice and collected 100 million naira from his account before buying him on 26th December 2024. They shot him twice on the head on 26th December. So sad. May that man may his gentle soul rest in peace. So a nurse that equally lives in Asaba helped them to withdraw that 100 million naira. A native doctor living also in Asaba do proper charms for this set of boys. Their leader, known as Kingpin, is living with the native doctor inside a shrine in Asaba in Delta State. All the 6 boys have been arrested. None of these boys are above 30 years. Why the rush? What's wrong with our young boys, for crying out loud? The nurse also has been arrested too, and her pharmacy shop sealed. The native doctor has been arrested. All those boys are living in Asaba except one who lives in Oba. There are over 3 dead bodies found alongside Honorable Justice Azuka's body. Guy, those boys say they normally kill all their victims. Jesus Christ. Despite collecting huge amount of money, huge ransom, they still end up killing them. Once they collect money from you, they will kill you. Chai. So sad. Kudos to the governor of Anambra State, Soludo. And may the dead rest in peace. This is so sad. My correct people, them. This news you are watching now is today's news, 7th of February 2025. Welcome back to Christy TV. What is your opinion regarding this? When I saw this video, I was so shocked. But I was happy that at least these people were apprehended. Imagine you kidnap someone, you charge them ransom amount, they pay you, and after paying you collect the money and you still take their lives as if they are fowls, for crying out loud. What is your gain? My own is that Nigerian government should put into law buy for buy. If you buy a person, you go for buy. Just imagine this young boy. This guy is too small. He's just small, for crying out loud. My correct people, them wahala they say be like, but since it dey happen for this kind country, Igumbute, make una take am easy. Everybody want to make it quick, quick. Gone are the days when people, young boys will come out from secondary school and they will start learning one trade or learning one particular skill like that. This time around, everybody will now looking for a means to make it sharply, sharply. There is no rush in this life. Life na jeje. Life na wayo wayo. Yes. People that went to university, you will come back from the university, you will have to do your service. After doing service, you start looking for a job. For you to balance it might take you 3, 4, 5 years before you get yourself, before you start saving properly. Do you get this point? Please, life now wayo. You shouldn't be rushing just to make it in life. No matter how things are, no matter the pressure, please take your time. Who God gonna be with? Who will make it will still make it, not in the other way round. There is no shortcut in life. This is all I have to say. My Korean people don't wait till I got to talk concerning this. Kudos to Anambra governor for doing the needful, for apprehending these people.